In most machining companies, machines are running daily, but actual performance is not clearly visible. We don't know where time is getting wasted, which machine is underperforming, or why production targets are not achieved. Also, planning is done, but actual output is different, and reasons are not clearly tracked. So to solve this, we have developed a simple machine performance monitoring system. Welcome to the OEE Performance Monitoring System. This platform provides real-time visibility into production efficiency, machine performance, and workforce effectiveness. It enables tracking of overall equipment effectiveness, along with key metrics such as operator performance, MTTR, and MTBF, helping drive data-driven decisions and continuous improvement. Let's begin with the master sheet contains all the core configuration data required for the system. This includes machine details, operator information, product and operation mapping, cycle time, shift definitions, and planned downtime. Starting with the top left section, we have the Backup Create New Sheets function. This is a critical monthly operation within the system. It allows users to securely back up the existing production data, automatically generate new sheets for the next month, maintain a clean and structured data cycle. This eliminates manual setup and ensures consistency across all reporting periods. Below that, we have key operational controls. Check correctness of machine report. This validates data accuracy and ensures that all machine entries are properly recorded. Update all machine sheets. This synchronizes and refreshes machine data across the system, ensuring all dashboards reflect the latest information. Edit daily production data. This provides quick access to modify daily entries, allowing flexibility in case of corrections or updates. Daily WhatsApp messaging. This feature enables direct communication of production updates, improving coordination and reporting efficiency. Below that, in the center, we have the machine sheet view. Each button represents an individual machine within the system. Users can directly access machine-specific performance sheets by selecting the required machine. This section is primarily used for viewing detailed OEE data, analyzing machine-level performance, reviewing historical production records. In the center, on the right side, we have the machine data entry panel. This section is used for entering daily production data for each machine. It ensures standardized data input across all machines, which is essential for accurate OEE calculation and reporting. The separation between viewing and data entry improves usability and reduces the chances of errors. Additional system controls are available on the right. Full screen for enhanced visibility. Protect, unprotect sheet to control data security. Export specific sheet for sharing reports. Hide machine sheets for simplified navigation. These features enhance usability, security, and reporting flexibility. The OEE report dashboard provides a consolidated view of actual production performance based on the selected start and end date. It displays the overall average OEE across all machines, along with individual machine-wise OEE for detailed analysis. In addition, the system generates shift-wise and metric-wise charts, covering availability, performance, and quality, enabling clear visibility into performance trends and loss areas. The loss time report provides a detailed analysis of production losses based on the selected start and end date. It categorizes losses into reason-wise and machine-wise loss minutes, helping identify the major contributors to downtime. In addition, a summary table is generated to present consolidated loss data in a structured format. This enables quick identification of the production and operator report provides a comprehensive view of output and workforce performance based on the selected start and end date. It captures product-wise production data, along with key reliability metrics such as MTTR and MTBF. In addition, the system evaluates operator performance, enabling better visibility into productivity and efficiency at the workforce level. This integrated view supports informed decision-making across production, maintenance, and operations.